Hello, pretty people of the internet. Welcome to the place that I pay way too much money for because I signed the lease pre-pandemic and I thought I'd be doing college in person and that I would need to be next to campus. Obviously, that's not the case. This is also the place where I cry myself to sleep most nights. So yes, welcome. I hope you like it. So I used to have more of a cottagecore theme vibe going on in here. Obviously, it's not the case anymore. It worked really well with my last bedroom because I had so much natural sunlight. My walls were white. It was a good time. Now, I don't get sunlight in here anymore. My seasonal depression. She's saying hello. It is currently 1 p.m. and this is the peak sunlight I get. I get about 10 minutes of this a day. There's not much sunlight going on. There is a huge building that completely just covers my room's window. I literally bought this huge lamp that is so bright to try to simulate sun. I get so sad in my room. And it's sucky because it's my room and I'm in here a lot. So I thought I would put so much fucking color in it that I would just be distracted. There's so much stuff going on in my room. A minimalist would fucking cry in my room, let me tell you. I just need some sort of visual stimuli, a burst of serotonin here and there. I really do like my room. I know it's probably not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but good thing it's my room, right? Okay, now let's go invade my personal space. I'm just kidding. I thought a good place to start was the entrance. Wow, the door opens. Aren't you excited that you're watching this great content? As you can see, I don't go light on my wall art, as I said before. I don't really like blank walls. It just doesn't really do it for me. So you can see I got lots of personality and just shit on my walls. I have my girl Judy in this little plant stand that I have a lot of little knickknacks. I have these really cute shovels and shit. I don't know what to do with them. I think they're just decoration, but they're very, very cute. Above the plant stand are these posters, and I wanted to show you how I print my posters. I just do it through FedEx, so I press upload print ready file, then I go into marketing materials and into flyers, and you just get to drag all the photos that you want from there. But for smaller prints, I usually just go through Walgreens, and I find most of my prints through Etsy and Pinterest. It's really easy to find all of these photos. And then I just stick everything on with some mounting putty. I think a clothing rack is such a good addition to any room. It takes up a good amount of space, but it looks stylish. I have this really cute bunny hat that I just got. I'm loving it. And also this shirt I think perfectly sums up the vibes of my room. I have these absolutely adorable stuffed magnets. I really like them because they're just a little bit fucked up and it's very lovable. Under the clothes, I have two crates. One of them holds my throw blankets and the other has my chocolate advent calendar. Literally, Trader Joe's did not have to go so hard. This chocolate has no business being this good. It's the way that my adorable mushroom night lamp turns on when I don't have lights on in my room, even if it's 1 p.m. Yep. Thank you, son. Y'all, I love me a disposable camera. So this wall means so much to me. I have so many great memories on here. Here are some of my favorites. I was pretty stumped on what to do with this corner for a while until I saw this teddy bear and I knew he had to live there. I also put some of my other stuffies there. Some more wall art. Are we surprised? Absolutely not. My baby Aikawa. Yes. Oh. I knew I needed some privacy film because I'm a woman that lives, and that's basically all it takes to be perceived by scary men. It super easily sticks on the window, and sometimes if I get lucky, a rainbow will emerge. It makes me so happy. My boyfriend and I actually painted these mugs in a vlog once, so here's what they look like now. I think they're so beautiful. Him and I actually went to Funko Hollywood, and now you could make your own Pop Funkos, so we made each other. It's so awesome. Just look at it. Wow, it's my most prized possession. I have him and he has me. And now, peak devastation and destruction. Damn. Fuck. I love my plants even though I severely struggle with trying to keep them alive, but for now they're doing decent. They're not completely dead yet. So, yeah, are you proud of me? Moving over to this corner, I have draping vines. It really doesn't make sense at all. Just don't overthink it. It's completely fine. Yeah. The vines are surrounding a circular mirror because I'm a Leo and I constantly need to look at myself. Let me live. These clouds are actually the newest addition to my room. I made them like at 1 a.m. the night before I filmed this because I was like, my room's a little boring, which is a complete lie. But the way that I made it was I took some polyfill and some paper lanterns and I just hot glued that polyfill onto the lanterns, try to fluff it up, make it look fun, and then tied some clear string and literally, oh my god, I taped it onto my ceiling. Just don't look up. I know it looks bad. Just look at the pretty clouds. You know, I never thought I would be one to have really colorful bedding. Here we are. I'm loving it though. I have these plushies on here which make it so much more fun. And these flower pillows that I just found that I also think are, word of the day, fun. I use a stool as a night table. I got my night lamp too, where I display a literal dead plant. It's literally embarrassing. But I have another one that's kind of cute and alive. Some more Sanrio plushies. I think she likes Sanrio, guys. I think she does. And some crystals because I've been kind of getting into that. My desk area by far has the most concentrated wall art section, but it makes me so happy. I love the way that it turned out. This is where I do all of my school and then inevitably get distracted by TikTok. I love spending $25,000 a year on this. Yes, college. Got some more knickknacks and a lot of candles here. I've been really like loving candles. I have this really big fear that I'm just gonna like burn the building down, but maybe that's like not a bad thing anymore. And I framed the light of my life, Ben, in this really cute frame. I feel like he really fits in. I love it. On this $5 thrifted chair that I'm still very much psyched about, I put this heart-shaped pillow that smells like nasty fake strawberries. It's so gross. I am just way too lazy to organize things, so I'm really sorry you had to see that. I also don't organize anything else in my desk or in the drawer set. It's bad. Okay, I know what you're thinking. There's a lot of stuff on here, but I feel like it's kind of like an organized mess. I like the look of things like that are lived in. I don't know. I also have this really tiny shopping cart. Do I have to explain why I have it? No, it's just amazing. Fun fact, I used to collect snow globes until I accidentally broke my favorite one and that just scarred me. One of my favorite things to do is to play my music off of my record player and have solo dance parties. It is so fun. Please do it if you've never had. Oh my gosh. What? I totally know how to play the electric guitar. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't got one, but 2 closets, which is actually so dope. I've never had this before. I found these really cool playing cards that have stills from Kiki's delivery service, so I kind of just laid them out on there. The apartment provided these ugly ass desks, and I was like, no ma'am, not gonna do that, so I hid them in my closet. Behind the beaded curtains, which is one of my favorite parts of this room, it's so fun to walk through. I have my own bathroom, which is so awesome and cool. I can poop in peace without the fear of my roommate hearing me. I got 2 reflecting mirrors, which kind of freak me out sometimes when I'm like, hello, someone's behind me. But it's just me. I hide my shoes in here. Obviously, it is not organized at all. Yeah, we don't have to see this anymore. It's fine. And the last part of my wall decor is my beloved avatar wall. It makes me, wow, just look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. I know. Can I just say one word? Vibes. Without a doubt, I'm always going for the pink setting in this like nightlight projector thing with my candle going off. Chef's kiss. I usually edit like really late nights, so I'm like crying in my desk, but at least my room is pink, right? And then I jump into bed, go on my phone like every other Gen Z kid, and go to sleep. Okay, that's my room. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to. It's okay if you don't. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!